Just be out with us to the authentic Garifuna cooking class.
Here's a plantain. It's ready.
We are Irina and Devon. We're staying in Belize for 3 months to create a complete Belize travel guide from reef to jungle. You're watching Hopkins series. In our previous video, we took you on a complete walking tour of Jaguar Reef Resort. Discover Belize and just be out with us. We are at Jaguar Reef located in Hopkins. Hopkins is known for being authentic cultural center because the Garifuna are located here. So Devon, can you tell us what the Garifuna are?
So just in a nutshell, the Garifuna is a mix of African and indigenous people who actually started out in St. Vincent, and from there, moved out and branched out. The culture is different. They do speak Creole, a form of Creole. But throughout our vlogs and throughout our stay here at Hopkins, we're going to introduce you to their culture, and you're going to learn a lot and you're going to enjoy it.
So today we're going to experience their traditional cooking style class, and we have our chef here with us, Evelyn. She will explain to us how to cook their authentic, original, cultural food. We're really excited.
Just be out with us. Here we have the fish. I have to fry the fish now.
Evelyn has started to prepare whole snapper. Right, snapper. Evelyn just put the whole snapper in the frying pan. She's frying it in oil, and while the snapper is frying, she just chopped fresh cilantro, onion, and oregano, and she's frying it in a separate pot in coconut oil. The master chef Rahim joined us for this class. Can you tell us a little bit more of the traditional Garifuna dishes?
Sure. So today we're actually preparing one signature dish, which is the hudut. Basically hand-beaten plantains. We're actually using hand-pressed coconut milk also. Selected herbs as oregano, cilantro, onions, and garlic. That is basically pan-fried, simmered in the coconut. The fish is fried, so it creates this crust, golden crust and crispiness. So that is going to be added afterwards in the broth, and it's going to be simmered. And that's going to be served with a hand-beaten plantain. The hand-beaten plantain consists of two types, the ripe and green. So they're both boiled together and they're beaten to perfection. That's one of the dishes. We have a sere. Sere is also underground roots, cassava, sweet potato, plantains, and it's simmered also in hand-pressed coconut, garlic, cilantros, and onions, and also habanero. Habanero contributes a nice mild flavor to it, and it's served with coconut rice. Normally we smoke our coconut, so it contributes that authentic flavor. It's unrepeatable, right?
Actually, we had saree yesterday for dinner, and it was delicious.
That's our version.
Oh, your version?
Yeah, that's our version. It's more of a liquefied and not a chunky. So what we did there is we do the same process. We use fish broth. We add sweet potato, plantains, cassava.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, and coconut milk. So we boil that all together to extract the same flavor what we're doing there, and then we liquefy it. And that creates a starch, like a gelatin. And that gelatin we use with additional coconut water, and we just fry the fish or a fish fillet, and that is already there. That's like a preserved broth. Correct. So that's our version. As you can see, the process is already taking, and I mean, this is gonna be unique. One is because of the firewood, you're getting that authentic flavor there. So let's just wait for it and enjoy a great meal.
plantain. It's ready.
All right, our hudut dish is ready and I'm super excited to try it. It is beautifully served and look, the silverware comes wonderfully wrapped. Traditionally, this tour is being done in the Garifuna village in one of their actual homes, but to control the quality, the resort does it here on the property. They have the firewood stove here and it is done exactly the same as in the actual village.
So we're about to dig into this, and the smell, guys, if you could smell this, wow, we need to get smell of it.
So you have to have it with the plantain.
Plantains. I just want to dig into this fish, and this fish is screaming my name. So again, as we mentioned before, this is snapper, all right? Red snapper. Whew. Wow, the flavors in this is incredible. That is amazing. And literally, this took only about 15-20 minutes.
It was really
Wow.
fast.
This is so good. Oh my
Evelyn
God.
learned her cooking from her mom.
And now I'm gonna add some of the plantain. Right? Listen, the coconut base in this is just ridiculous. It makes a world of a
I'm
difference.
definitely loving the coconut sauce, and you can taste the onions and the herbs. Snapper is so soft. The outside is a little bit crispy because she fried it, so it seals all the flavors. And once she put it in coconut milk, then all the flavors with the herbs and onions
Gets released
gets
into this.
absorbed into the fish.
Oh, this is so good, guys. And then we wash it down with some sky juice. And for those of you who know, you know what sky juice is. It's coconut water. 100%
Fresh.
coconut water. Cheers. Oh my gosh.
So good.
Wow. So definitely, if you guys come here, you have to do this. You have to do this cooking class. It is just an amazing experience for sure.
I'm loving the traditional
For
Garifuna
real.
cooking, and when you come to Jaguar Reef, this class is definitely a must experience. This was a wonderful, cultural, authentic experience. If you've been following us for a while, you know we love doing cultural stuff. And especially Devon is here from Belize, but he never experienced
Not
anything
at all. This is
Garifuna.
actually the first time.
We're staying here at the Jaguar Reef Lodge. It is a beachfront resort located in Hopkins. If you haven't seen a complete walkthrough and everything you need to know about Jaguar Reef, we will leave the link in the description and at the end of this video as well.
We highly recommend this Garifuna cooking class, and would also like to thank Jaguar Reef for having us experience this wonderful cultural experience.
Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, just be out with us. Coming up in our next video, traditional Garifuna drumming class. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notifications so you do not miss when we publish our next video. Just be out with us.